Good morning, 3 class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Stay home and stay safe. Today is Thursday, 24th December 2020. It's your maths period, and today our topic is money. It's exercise 4. Students, today we will solve question number 6 to 9 on countdown books. So hurry up, open your countdown books. Open your countdown books. It's page number 132 of exercise 4. Today we will solve question number 6. So students, first of all, write classwork here and its revision. Its short date is 24 December 2020. Question number 6. Convert these into paise only. It's rupees 62.10 is equal to dash paise. Students, as I have told you, when rupees and pesos are given and to change it only paise, just remove the point. So what we will do, what is answer? It's 6210. We just remove the point. Now its B part is 123.45. It means it's rupees 123 and how many pesos in it? It is 45 pesos. Now we write it into just pesos. So we write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just remove the point. Now its C part is rupees 9.85. What we will do? We just remove the point. So it becomes 985 pesos. Now its D part is 496.15. When we remove the point, it's 49615. Now E part is rupees 21.05 is equal to dash pesos. Again we remove the point to convert it into pesos only. So it's 2105 pesos. And the last part, F part, is rupees 18.75 is equal to dash pesos. Again we remove just point, so it's 1875 pesos. I hope you will understand it. Now question number 7 is convert these into rupees and pesos. Look at this, it's just pesos are given. It's 725 pesos is equal to rupees 7.25. Look at this, we start from the right and count two numbers and put a point. Look at this here, it's 7.25. Now its B part is 1035 pesos. Now we write it into rupees and pesos. So what we can do? First of all, we will write here rupees RS. Its short form is RS. Now start from the right and count two numbers to the left, and after that put a point. So what it is? It's 10.35. Rupees 10.35. It means how many rupees in it? It's 10 rupees. And how many pesos? It's 35 pesos. Now its C part is 380 pesos. Again we write rupees. And now start from the right, count two numbers to the left and then put a point. So it's 3.80. 3.80. Now D part is 905 pesos is equal to dash. It's rupees. Again start from the right, count two numbers to the left. It's 1 and 2. After that put a point. So it is 9.05. Next E part is 3840 pesos is equal to dash. Again write rupees. It's how many? It's 1, 2. It means we write point here. It's 38.40. Next F part is for 500 pesos is equal to it's rupees 45.00. 345 pesos is equal to dash. It's rupees again 3.45. Next H part is 5965 pesos is equal to it's rupees 59.40. 65, and the last one part is 7605 paisas is equal to, it's rupees 76.05. After two digits we put a point here. I hope you will understand it how to write paisas into rupees and paisas. Now it's question number 8 is add these. Students, as you know, we always start from the right side. So 0 plus 5 it's 5. 6 plus 1 it's 7. Now we put a point over here. Now it's 3 plus 4 it's 7. And now we write here rupees. So rupees 7.75 is answer. Now look at B part. It's 0 plus 0. It's 0. 4 plus 6 it's 10. So we write again 0 here and 1 is carry over here. 1 plus 0 it's 1. 1 plus 1 5 it's 6. And 1 as it is. So now we put a point over here. And it is rupees. So rupees 16.00. Now C part is it's 5 plus 5 it's 10. So we write 0 here and 1 is carry over here. 6 plus 1 it's 7. 7 plus 2 it's 9. Now we put a point over here. 5 plus 5 it's 10. Again write 0 here and 1 is carry over here. Now it's 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 4 it's 7. So it means answer is rupees 70.90. Students, you will solve the remaining parts by yourself. Now question number 9 is subtract. Its A part is rupees 5.65 minus rupees 3.25, as we always start from the right side. So 5 minus 5 it's 0. 6 minus 2 it's 4. Now we put a point here. 5 minus 3 it's 2 and rupees as it is. So what is answer? Rupees 2.40. Now B part is rupees 7.70 minus rupees 5.45. Students, look at this. We cannot subtract 5 from 0. So we borrow from this number. It is 6 and now it is 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 6 minus 4 is 2. Now we put a point here. 7 minus 5 is 2 rupees. So the answer is rupees 2.25. Again, look at this. Here we have 0 and here we have 5. We cannot subtract 5 from 0 and 5 from 4. So what we will do, we borrow from this number. It is 3. Now it becomes 14. When again we borrow from this number, it becomes 10 and now it is 13. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 13 minus 5. So 13 minus 5 is 8. Now we put a point here. 3 minus 0 is 3 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So we write rupees here. Rupees 3.85 is our answer. Now look at D part. Rupees 19.50 minus rupees 7.85. As we cannot subtract 5 and 0 and 8 from 5. So we borrow this number. It's 8 and now it becomes 15. And when again we borrow from this number, it is 14 and now it is 10. 10 minus 5 it's 5. 14 minus 8 is it's 6. Now we put a point here. 8 minus 7 is 1 and 1 as it is. And now we write here rupees. So what is answer? Rupees 11.65. Students, now E part is rupees 23.05 minus rupees 9.60. It's 5 minus 0, it's 5. We cannot subtract 6 from 0 and 9 from 3. What we will do, we borrow from this number. It is here 1 and now it is 13. When again we borrow from here, it is 12 and now it becomes 10. 10 minus 6 it's 4. Now we put a point here and 12 minus 9 is 12 minus 9 is 3 and 1 as it is. And now we write here rupees. So the answer is rupees 13.45. So students, same like this you will solve remaining parts on your countdown books. So this is for today's work. Students, as you know, we are doing revision. So if anyone have a missing work, then complete it. Students, enjoy your winter holidays. Take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.